In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on GitHub in just a few minutes. It's a critical step in enhancing the security of your GitHub account, and I'm here to guide you through the process effortlessly. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the GitHub homepage. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign up for an account. Otherwise, go ahead and log in using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to find your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will lead you to a new page where you'll see a sidebar on the left. Look for the Access section and click on Password and Authentication. Now, scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. Here, you'll see the option to enable two-factor authentication. Give that a click to start the setup. At this point, GitHub offers a couple of methods for 2FA. You can choose an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or 2FAS, or you can opt for SMS. Both methods are effective, but using an authenticator app is generally recommended for an added layer of security. After you've decided on your preferred method and followed the prompts to set it up, GitHub will provide you with a list of recovery codes. These are incredibly important because they will allow you to regain access to your account if you ever lose your primary 2FA device, such as your phone. It's absolutely essential to download, print, or copy these recovery codes and store them in a secure location. Make sure this place is separate from your device to ensure maximum security. Once you've secured your recovery codes, GitHub will prompt you to confirm that you have saved them. This step is crucial as it's the final hurdle in completing your 2FA setup. Double-check that you have a copy of those recovery codes stored safely, and then confirm the setup completion. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on GitHub. This will provide an extra layer of protection for your account, keeping your code and projects more secure. Remember, 2FA is a simple yet powerful way to guard against unauthorized access, and I highly recommend keeping your recovery codes updated and stored securely. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!